Heading back from a half-day fishing on Georgian Bay out here on Lake Huron. Didn't catch any, but that's all right. That's part of the game. It's fishing, not catching, and that's how it goes. Let's enjoy the ride back into the marina.
We did fishing today, not catching.
Yes, there we go. I had a great.
Yeah, it's exactly what it is. It's fishing, not catching. The best fishing day I had in Alaska. I spent 3 weeks fishing out there. We caught 0.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I caught a lot of fish in Alaska, but it was a float plane ride, landing on a glacial fed lake in the middle of Denali National Park, hiking up a river, just, you know, me, the guide.
Yeah.
And we didn't catch shit, but it was the best day.
Yeah.
But the next day when I got a 27-inch rainbow on a fly, that was pretty awesome.
That would have been nice.
That was pretty awesome. I got that one mounted in my garage. I mean, it was catch and release, but.
Mass is proper soaked.
Oh yeah, same here.
Oh yeah, I'm not fully wedged. Literally my ass is soaked.
Had a good time, Ruben. We were
Yes.
fishing, not catching, but that's part of the game. Yeah.